Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about things that can harm our livers. It's essential to be aware of items that may negatively impact this vital organ, affecting overall health. The liver is super important in our body. It does a lot of jobs, like helping with digestion and acting like a filter. It's the biggest organ inside us and is on the right side of our belly, under the breathing muscle. When we eat, the stuff from our food goes into our blood and goes first to the liver. The liver changes it to help keep our blood just right. It also makes bile, helps with different body processes, and gets rid of waste and bad stuff. To keep our livers healthy and avoid liver problems, it's important to eat good, balanced food. Later in the video, I'll share a list of 4 things that can help our liver work better. Now, let's talk about foods that can harm your liver. Number 1. Salty products. Salt and salty foods are rich in sodium, with about 100 grams of salt containing around 3,000 milligrams of sodium, exceeding the recommended daily intake of 2,000 milligrams for adults. Excess sodium can harm kidney function, alter water balance, and disrupt blood filtration, impacting the liver's proper functioning. This imbalance poses risks to overall health, emphasizing the importance of moderating sodium intake for kidney and liver well-being. Number 2. Fried foods. Fried foods, such as French fries and burgers, put extra strain on the liver. Many fried foods are breaded or have dairy, adding more pressure on the liver and digestive system. Eating these foods too much can harm liver health due to the high fat content and potentially harmful compounds formed during frying. Choosing alternatives or limiting the intake of fried foods is essential for maintaining a healthier liver. Number 3. Spicy spices. Too much spicy seasoning can be tough on the liver, kind of like harmful substances. It makes the liver make more bile to deal with them. But having too much bile can build up in the ducts and cause gallstones and a fatty liver. Even though spices can taste good and be healthy in small amounts, it's important to be careful, especially if someone already has liver issues or is sensitive to them. Number 4. Red meat. Eating too much red meat can be bad for your liver. Red meat has a lot of saturated fats that can slow down the liver and mess up how other organs work. Having too much protein, even though it's important, can also strain the body's systems. Even a healthy liver might have trouble breaking down a lot of protein and making harmful stuff. Instead of red meat, it's better to choose lean meats like chicken, turkey, or tuna. They give you the protein you need without the extra saturated fats, keeping your liver healthier. Number 5. Sweet carbonated drinks. Most fizzy drinks contain more than half refined carbohydrates and sugar, which can harm the liver and other organs. They often include corn syrup, leading to weight gain and liver damage with regular consumption. Sweet sodas are linked to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Diet colas, while calorie-free, have many chemical additives, particularly the artificial sweetener aspartame. Excessive aspartame can cause liver issues, including mitochondrial dysfunction and ATP depletion, resulting in increased organ weight and health problems. It's recommended to limit or avoid sweet sodas to maintain liver health. Choosing healthier beverage options is crucial for overall well-being. Number 6. Fatty foods. Eating too much fatty food regularly can mess up how our internal organs, especially the intestines and liver, work. High-fat foods can cause inflammation in the liver, becoming a major reason for liver cirrhosis and cancer. They also make harmful cholesterol levels in the blood go up fast, leading to heart and vascular problems. To keep our liver and overall health in good shape, it's vital to control how much high-fat food we eat. Instead, focus on a balanced diet with healthier fats from sources like fish, nuts, and olive oil. This helps support a healthier liver and overall well-being. Number 7. Canned fruits. While fruits offer many benefits, excessive consumption, particularly in the form of canned fruits, should be avoided due to the risk of fructose overdose. Unlike glucose, which is directly metabolized, fructose is processed differently and can burden the liver when consumed in excess. This can lead to elevated blood sugar levels, increased acidity, harm to internal organs, and obesity. Canned fruits, often containing high sugar and corn syrup concentrations, are particularly harmful to the liver. The added sweeteners significantly boost fructose content, making them less healthy than fresh alternatives. To safeguard liver health, it's better to choose fresh or frozen fruits, especially those canned in heavy syrups. Number 8. Sweets. Sweets like candies, ice cream, and cakes are big sources of simple carbs, having lots of refined sugar, corn syrup, and artificial sweeteners. These can harm the liver and other organs. Simple carbs give a quick feeling of fullness, but people often end up eating too much, leading to weight gain and a heavy load on the liver, sometimes causing organ obesity. When picking sweets, especially ice cream, go for ones made with natural cream and without extra flavor and taste enhancers. It's crucial to limit sugary treats to keep the liver healthy. Choosing sweets with fewer artificial ingredients and less sugar can help reduce harm to the liver and overall well-being. Number 9. Alcohol consumption. It's really important not to drink too much alcohol. The liver breaks down alcohol, and when someone drinks a lot in a short time, the liver has to work extra hard. It's not good to mix alcohol with fizzy drinks because that makes the liver work even more. Drinking alcohol regularly and too much stops the liver from healing and dealing with toxins. This increases the chance of getting liver disease. The key to keeping the liver healthy is to drink responsibly, not too much. Give the liver time to rest and handle the alcohol. The liver is super important for detoxifying the body, so overloading it with alcohol can cause serious health problems. Number 10. Canned foods. Canned foods use sodium to preserve and flavor the food. But too much sodium in canned goods can cause fibrosis, which is the start of scarring in the liver. Having too much sodium from these preserved foods messes up the balance of fluids in the body and makes the liver work extra hard. It's better to go for fresh or less processed foods instead of canned ones to lower sodium intake and keep the liver healthy. When picking canned products, choose ones labeled as low sodium or with no added salt to reduce the chances of harming the liver. Now we will discuss beneficial foods for the liver. First on our list is garlic. Garlic is a beneficial food for the liver as it activates liver enzymes, helping eliminate toxins. Allicin and sulfur compounds in garlic cleanse the liver and boost its health. Allicin has antioxidant, antibiotic, and antifungal properties, while sulfur enhances antioxidants to activate liver enzymes. Eating 1 to 2 medium-sized garlic cloves daily is recommended, but overdoing it can worsen liver function. Excessive garlic consumption may lead to issues like pain under the ribs, digestive problems, belching, and heartburn. For those with gastrointestinal conditions, half a clove per day is enough. In cases of hepatitis and liver cirrhosis, it's best to avoid garlic. Moderation is crucial, considering individual health conditions when incorporating garlic for liver health. Number 2. Coffee. Research indicates that coffee can lower the risk of developing liver diseases. Consuming around 2 cups a day may reduce cirrhosis risk by about 40%, and it could have a protective effect against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Coffee's benefits come from reducing fat, increasing protective antioxidants, and preventing liver scarring. Pure black coffee is considered the most beneficial. It's essential to limit sweetener use, as excessive sweeteners can harm the liver. Drinking coffee in moderation, especially without too many sweeteners or cream, can be part of a liver-friendly diet. Number 3. Pumpkin. The liver likes fruits and veggies with orange and red flesh, and pumpkin is great for it because of its rare vitamin D content. It's an excellent side dish with pork, beef, and other fatty foods. The vitamins in pumpkin help digest fatty foods, making things easier for the liver. Pumpkin also helps restore the liver's cell metabolism and repair damaged structures. A key benefit is the restoration of cellular membranes in liver cells. Adding pumpkin to your diet, especially with richer, fatty meals, supports liver health by aiding in fat metabolism and protecting liver cells. So, besides being tasty, pumpkin is a liver-friendly addition to your meals. Number 4. Avocado. Adding avocado to your daily diet is beneficial as it stimulates the production of the antioxidant glutathione, which is crucial for filtering harmful substances in the liver and protecting its cells from damage and premature aging. Avocado is packed with vitamin C and E, countering the effects of free radicals, and it also carries anti-inflammatory properties, promoting positive liver health. That concludes our video. Check out our channel for more interesting content about the pros and cons of fruits and vegetables, along with information about diseases and their treatments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and please like and share this video with your friends and family.